Hello there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my mockup design for the project I'll be creating in Django. A mockup is a static visual representation of the project that you intend to build. It is sometimes a good idea to create the static visual parts of your project before you incorporate it into your Django project. The reason I do that because it's sometimes easier to separate the two parts than to combine them. When you are developing a Django app and you are creating the templates at the same time, it may be sometimes difficult to see how each bit functions. But when you create the static mockups first, you have an overall view of how things will plug in. So that's why it's a good idea to always do your mockup design first before you integrate it into your Django project. So the mockup design will include mainly static files, things like HTML, CSS, you have Bootstrap. You can also have JavaScript depending on what it is you are trying to build. Another good reason for doing your mockup design first is that HTML really takes time to write. It takes longer to write. So if you can do all the HTML parts on that other static part first, it then makes it much easier and it saves a lot of time to just plug it into your Django application, and then you can convert it to make Django work with the static templates. So once the static templates are integrated into Django, you can then convert them and make them more dynamic. So let me show you my mockup template. So these files will be available for you to download and use for your project as well. I've got an index.html file here. This is going to be my main template. And then we've got the CSS file, and then we've got a Bootstrap. BS stands for Bootstrap. So if I click on it, you can see we've got various Bootstrap files, got CSS in there, and we got fonts that I want to use, and then we've got some JS as well. So these files, they will all be available for you to use. So if I click on my index.html, you should see how the project will look. So this is the project that I intend to build. It's a to-do list app. So this is basically what the project will look like after it has been built. So all these at the moment are all static files, but we're gonna incorporate them into the Django application and make it more dynamic. So that is it for this video. In this video, I introduced you to my mockup templates that I've already prepared for the project I'll be building, which is a to-do list in Django. And these files will be available for download, so you can also use them for your own project. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.